welcome to our WPRP YouTube miniseries, Would You Like Fries with That? I'm with Brian Newworth, VP of Sales and Marketing. Today, Brian, we're talking about hand picking. What type of product are we looking at today?
Okay, great question, Josh. So with order picking, you'll find that there's two different types of pick. You're either going to pick a product as a full case or as an each. And an each basically means you're pulling an individual part out of the box or out of the tote as it's being picked. So it's either a full case pick or a split case pick. When it comes to full case pick, you'll traditionally see the product is sloped to the front and it's a straight track. When it comes to each picking, we want to take a look at how the actual product is presented to the order picker. So if I'm picking the product from over here, by putting it at a knuckle, I have complete access of the product to come up and out. And as you'll see on the level below, I can pull this item up and out without any interference of the level above. So if it was a straight track, I'd be interfering with the level above. So basically having a tilt tray or a knuckle allows us to improve the accessibility of the product and ultimately letting that customer achieve pickability.
That's an excellent explanation, Brian. Thank you so much. Make sure to tune in to our YouTube channel, and you can follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. Once again, thanks, Brian, from UNEX.
Thanks for having me.